My name's Alex and I'm going to show you how to remove photo grain in Photoshop. So I have a picture here that I took with my camera phone, and as you can see when I zoom in, I've got this grainy look to the picture. And when you zoom out, you can't really tell all that much, but on this white surface I can really see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Filter, I'm going to go to Noise, I'm going to go to Reduce Noise. This is just one of the few ways you can do it, but this can really help a lot. So as you see, my photo already has been degrained a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and play around with these and see when you preserve details, it's actually going to go ahead and add more of that grain, like keep the grain there. So if you really want your photo to be sharp, this picture wasn't sharp to begin with, so I don't really mind not preserving the details. But if you want to, you're going to have to work a little bit harder to get that out of there. I'll see as you see these details around the circles, etc. So I'll take it down a notch. And then if you reduce color noise, it's going to basically even out the grains color-wise. And then sharpening the details doesn't really help a whole lot. And one thing that can really help is if you select Remove JPEG Artifact, which will get rid of a lot of your grain problem. And I'm going to get rid of some of these details. My name is Alex, and this is how you remove photo grain in Photoshop. Thank you.